Hi, friends!
Adstock is a beautiful municipality in the Chaudière-Appalaches region of Quebec. This town is known for its stunning natural surroundings, including the Adstock Mountains and Lake Megantic. Mont Adstock is a picturesque outdoor destination perfect for nature lovers. It's great for hiking, snowshoeing, and running. The panoramic view from the top is simply amazing. Mont Adstock itself stands at 710 meters, offering breathtaking views for outdoor enthusiasts. Nearby, Lake Megantic is a picturesque body of water located in the Appalachian Mountains near the U.S. border. Covering 26 square kilometers, the lake is perfect for kayaking, canoeing, swimming, camping, fishing, hiking, mountain biking, and nature observation. Don't miss the scenic drives along La Route des Sommets for some incredible views. Around Lake Megantic, you'll find attractions like Complexe Bay des Sables for camping, Centre Sportif Lac Megantic for events, Église Sainte-Agnes de Lac Megantic, Club de Golf de Lac Megantic, and the family-friendly Grand Tour du Lac Megantic bike tour. Also, experience a traditional sugar shack meal at Cabane à Sucre Megantic. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Adstock.
Thanks for watching!